back. It's Tuesday, December 12th. My charts are not loading. What are we doing here? All right, we got some candles. We need some Delta. It's like yesterday on the 4-hour chart, we came right back to all that consolidation. Now we are breaking up higher. ES went way past it. I think we expect some more sell-off today. But of course we'll take whatever the market gives us. Got a high from yesterday. Up at like close to 550. Oh, was that the no, that's not the move that we caught at the open. It was way up here, right? Yeah. At 650. Okay. All right, well, we'll just see what the market gives us today. I need this to load. Try a different connection, I guess. Or nothing without Delta. Looks like no news today. We're clear on the news. We got tomorrow CPI and then PPI on Thursday. There we go. Let me go back to the other chart and see if that loads now. Yeah, Hank, we're back with the hat. No headache today. I forget, I pretty much slept all day yesterday with my migraine. As soon as we got off the charts, I just went and laid down and then woke up like 5 hours later. Yeah, we do have a real rat hat. Were you here? I don't know if you were here. Got a real rat hat right here. I can't wear it when I'm wearing my Rat Lord sweatshirt. It's too many Rat Lord logos. So I'll wear that hat when we have a different sweatshirt on. But I wear the same sweatshirt for like 5 days and then switch it. All right, this is not freaking loading. I gotta switch all this stuff around. Oh, and we are open. Yeah, I was looking at that high at 550. That sounds about sounds pretty accurate. Kind of be like the same thing that happened yesterday morning. But let's just see what I only thought that yesterday because we saw ES not going up and and NASDAQ was. I do think more selling today. ES going straight for these lows back here. Could be chop, yep. I mean, I hope we're moving better being. Oh, we're only 200 points off of the highs. I thought we moved way more. This move looked like it was a lot bigger. I was hoping we were like 500 or more points off of the all-time highs, but we're only 200. So yes, taking out that low at 9 a.m. We're close to a 500 level. Lots of buying coming in. It's not going up. Got Delta already above this high back here. And ES still down there. We're going to short that. Got this divergence forming. ES just not having a care in the world. I meant to enter with 2, so we'll add another one if it comes back down there. ES is leaving, Hank. ES is all the way back at this stuff on NASDAQ. Yeah, SMT can form. We're still not above these highs. I know we could still go take out that high and the one at 550. But this, that with ES going that much lower, I think it's okay. It's okay enough to at least take the trade. It's up just my style. Could be a problem if ES comes all the way back up. There we go. Let's start dumping shares. Damn, Knives, you're super early. I'm always ready. Every time I hit that start stream button. Edgar. Gonna hit Poe 2. What the frick does that mean? Oh, Path of Exile. Yeah, I think the same thing that happened yesterday, I think, could be happening here, like you were saying. Did we took out the high from 810? That's why I'm holding on to this a little bit longer. ES is still looking like it wants to go lower. Oh, we got Chef on a short. I got in this a little early off of divergence back here. These two highs and these two highs. At least we were close enough to the highs from 810 that we could hold that in just in a couple of micros. On the way down though, would be nice to add like we did yesterday. But if NASDAQ were to catch up with ES, we'd be looking at this consolidation range down here, which is 50 points. Just don't know if it's going to go. What's up, Joseph? Yeah, I got 2 micros. I'm going to see if we could take out this high at the 50 level. We just don't want it to go much higher than that, obviously. I mean, I don't like that we went this far in the wrong direction, but everything else is still so far lining up with shorts. Wrong way, NASDAQ. Add one up there close to 50. Probably prioritize your child. Oh my God. You can't. Oh. I think I lost one of my evals that was super close to being gone anyways. Yeah, that's I was worried about that too back when I did take Buell and Ox payouts, but it was nice because you just put it in and then it was in your bank. There's no drama except worrying, but we only worry because of all the other prop firms. Well, I don't think this is coming back. Damn. Everything looks so it looked just like yesterday. It looked just like yesterday. Except the reverse happened. ES went down. NASDAQ unwilling to go down. Hit a point of support and then reverse and sending the other assets to the moon. have no idea, Hank. I was definitely expecting shorts today. Yeah, for sure. Problem is yesterday's Wayne was on a different account than what I traded today. That's why I don't like yesterday I needed to not copy trade. It helped me with that trade, but then at the same time, that trade was much larger than what we normally go after, which is then what I was kind of going after today. Which I shouldn't be going after those trades. I was just looking at my accounts because they're all like barely hanging on. It just, I think I've been doing good managing my red days, but these accounts can only handle so many red days. And it's just been nothing but red the last couple weeks. And I would prefer to not lose the fundeds, because they've all been paid for and they were kind of expensive considering my financial situation, and they're all paid for life. So I'm not incurring additional fees having them. So if we take 6 months to grind them, so be it, right? Like that's better than starting all over again and having to buy more accounts. But these guys are not looking good. Shorting all that got a pretty big divergence. ES came back up to all of this. Tick chart started hitting some resistance. Oops. I guess it makes more sense for us to keep climbing all the way up to freaking 650. Is that where we were yesterday? Yesterday's open, right? $650 is the new week opening gap. See if we come back to like 550. Could come back to... I mean, what if this pulls all the way back down? ES were to start going lower. I think it could happen. If ES turns around there and keeps going lower, it's going to pull NASDAQ super far. Or we hit our 550 target and turn around. Go ahead and put a stop in place. Still in it, Melito? Look at you. If ES breaks this, I'm going to add a contract. We hit our 550. Can we go lower? Odd one if we get to 33. Get to 33, get sucked back down into pre-market moves. Let's go, Hank. Let's have NASDAQ pull all the way back to this. That's where ES is. All this chop from whenever. But ES could chop right here. Whoa. What the hell? It updated my stop automatically. Wait. No. That was my entry. Oh my god, I'm retarded. That was... Oh well. I wanted to keep holding that. I thought that was my stop loss, but that was my average entry, and god damn it. Gotta start holding Alito. I think we get back into this because I didn't mean to get out. Oh man. I just wasn't paying attention. I thought it said stop on it. So I thought that was my stop loss. I don't think I have my funded futures account anymore. Damn. No, I was planning on holding it. All those red days caught up to us. Sucks. Freaking sucks. And of course, yesterday I only traded the one eval. Like if we had taken that trade yesterday and all my accounts got that win yesterday, then that would be good. A lot of my accounts couldn't handle any more losses. They were super close, Chef. So I think my funded futures funded account's gone. Well, not I think, I know. I just checked. It's gone. As soon as we got all of our fundeds, we just started having red days constantly, and I couldn't handle it anymore. But I definitely did way better with those than we had in the past. So we're still seeing improvements, and we just have to keep improving, right, Navs? And we're just gonna grind these other ones back. You're short gold. Does that mean NASDAQ will keep going lower? Oh, damn. I had such high hopes for all these funded accounts that we got this past month. And I felt like I was trading a reasonable size. It's just they can't. The size I trade accounts for. I think I allow myself like, I don't know. Ideally, I would allow myself 10 red days in a row and keep trading. Or no, 10 red days in a row and then fail the account. You suck. NASDAQ, you suck. Yeah, me either. I don't think with ES being so far away from NASDAQ, if it by the time it catches up, it's going to allow NASDAQ to just keep going pretty far. What are you doing, ES? God. Lots of selling, but Nasdaq's not going anywhere. $10 on 4 micros. You got a little more than a point. What is that? Isn't that like 1,000 per point, chef, or something? Or is it 100 per point? GC. 100 per point. Not bad. Is that McLovin? Yeah, I think ES goes to take out those highs. And if and when that does happen, Nasdaq should just run all the way back up to up into here. Maybe. I don't know. Both the 4 hours came down, hit some resistance, pop back up. Do we hold this till end of day? Let's keep going. That's a possibility too. Damn, I was really thinking this short back here was just gonna run like yesterday. Just go freaking sweep all the lows and just keep going down 100 points. Brick. Gotta just grind. Has to just grind in our favor. Don't move too quick there, NASDAQ. Oh, there we go. And straight back down. I'm going to add, if we get up to 605, thinking that thought process is we break up into 600, get up to like 620 pretty quickly, hopefully. See, this stop is red, but I guess it's because I'm in a long. I'm so used to, or I don't know. My entry was red on that other one. I clicked the X on the wrong thing, which we didn't go much further. On the short. All right, we need ES to freaking rip up above these highs. What are you talking about over there? That's what I'm thinking, Chef. That's what I'm thinking too. But I want it to move relatively quickly, you know. Yeah, I did for a small. I think I only ever. I don't know. Yeah, we killed it though. That's not my take profit. I'm gonna add there, Chef. I'm gonna add 2 up there. If we get into 605. But we're not gonna go if ES is not gonna break that high, you know. This is the issue, Alito, with God, what are we doing? You're going the wrong way. Should be adding on this pullback instead of up at 605, but I'm a little concerned with ES not getting up to that high. It's still sitting in this opening range. Bad one. Adding up there because thinking like once we get up there, usually kind of moves quick between 100 and a 20 level, you know? So I'd rather add the extra contracts on that move if it's going to do it. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna hear it all day from Alito about how I let it go 50, 60 points. Oh my God. I know we need ES to break those highs. It's going to turn around right there. Just tag us out and keep going. And I'll tell you what I need to be doing. I need to be taking 20 points at a time to grind these accounts back. But I get in a trade and then, you know, you want more. We were up like 50, close to 50 points. It's never enough, is it? It's just never enough. I don't want to hear it, Alito. This came right back to where our average was. You gotta be... you gotta be kidding me. Well, I didn't know that second leg was going to turn around. I thought the second leg was going to go down. Thought I was going to go too far in the red, and I can't. These accounts can't handle much more drawdown, especially if I'm going to be adding. I don't know, Alito. I gotta just put my big boy pants on and discipline and just freaking grind out 10, 20 points at a time with one micro. It would suck, but that, like I said, these accounts aren't costing me anything else. I just can't believe that came down. Stopped me out for break even. Now we're back up making new highs. I just can't believe it. I'm going to just trade this eval. I have some little aggravated with the way this morning is going. A little aggravated with how these markets have been lately and how just how everything turned out, you know? Just want to see if we can just do like 15 points at a time. I got to stick to it. Can't freaking move start moving everything around and messing with it. But we're finally up at 600. ES broke the high. Is it going to keep going though? And why is this not loading here? This, like I said, this is just on an ETF eval that we were trading yesterday. Oh, you know we're not going to continue now that yeah, it's Quant Tower. This wick on like the 5 minute and stuff. ES just doesn't want to get. It's like this is its home, and it's too scared to get away from there. Why is this not loading? Can we have something go right today? Uh, we tried disconnecting everything else. I don't like that. This it's just with the ETF connection. The other ones were all loading fine. We're just taking out these lows, and we're gonna turn around. I know, chef. Let's hold right here. Right back to like these bodies on the 5 minute. That'd be cool. Oh, you know I am, Alito. You know better than anybody. Hold up. Don't like when we open a new 5 minute, just goes immediately red like that. This is just on the ETF. I'm not trading anything else. It's just 5 micros. Might add down here too, though. Wish I had Delta to see. Not looking good. Not looking good. Yes. Yes, just wicked back up. You did. I think it's time for a trading break again. Need to come up with a plan for these accounts. Let me log back in. We're going to just tap this 5-minute gap right here and just rip up now that we exited that trade. I don't think we go back to 550. I don't think it's going to go down there. What's up, David? No bueno today. No, I stopped doing that because I had to. We were trading like big size, as in like 1 to 2 minis on these accounts. I was just going for like 15 ticks at a time, but it didn't feel sustainable because a losing trade could wipe out like days worth of progress, and that's not. I don't think that that's a healthy way to trade. I mean, we were getting payouts, but like I wasn't losing. I was getting like almost 100% win rate. But it doesn't feels wrong. And some of these prop firms don't like you taking 15 ticks in a few second trades. I was on the 5-second chart, right? Well, there's 550, Alito. I mean, I'll try it on this eval. We were doing 15 ticks, I think. If Alito's long at 550, we should all short. Pretty sure this eval's looking rough as well. If I take 1 or 2 losses on it, it's probably gone. Oh no, I have some room on it. Let's pull into this little gap right here. That one worked. I didn't think we were coming back to 550, but I don't know about going lowers. I think we keep going higher. How many minis can I trade on this? I could probably do 4. Let's look it up. Does ETF have any rules against scalping like this? Max position 8 minis? Dare we? Dare we try 8 mini scalps with this? Yeah, I know that. I just mean for the funded. What do you say, Alito? How many should we do 8 minis? I'm kind of over everything at the moment. Like my trading is not going to go anywhere until I get a job, unfortunately. It's just too stressful. It's too stressful without income. 3, that's not even close to the max. Would you say, what's the idea? Oh, I'm was gonna trade that scalping strategy on the 5-second that I used to do a long time ago, but it worked. Like I was doing 1 or 2 minis before, but I'm kind of just over it right now. So was gonna just trade like max size on this 50K. With probably like 1 loss will wipe the account. We'll do 2. 2 minis with 15 ticks? I think that's 150 times 40. Yeah, it's $150 each trade. No, it's not funded. It's just I don't think I should touch my fundeds for a while. All my coffee I made is in here. I can't put any more in. I don't have any more. I want to trying to fix this indicator real quick because it wasn't showing. Damn, chef. I think this is our last one. There we go. I just fixed this, Joseph. I didn't like how this indicator, like when we were at a 0 level, it doesn't show the decimal place. I want to force the decimal places since a lot of times we're, 0.25, 0.50. I didn't like how it was bouncing back and forth. And I also need to send you the updated with the account and stuff. Just need to, this balance is not showing the right account. Let's see if I can fix that real quick before we take a trade. And I'm just trying to take a break for a second as well. Where did I see how to get the event for changing an account? Yeah, we might go to 509. Hopefully you're not like, just because I said I didn't think we were going down there doesn't, I mean, we've been wrong all goddamn day, so you should probably just short it. and exit at 509 since I said I didn't think we were going down there. Don't let me change your mind about the markets. Oh, okay, good. What you talking about these two lows on the 5 minute? I can't, chef. I can't. My funded accounts, I'm gonna have to just grind them with one micro, like 10 to 20 points at a time. Virtual equal lows. Oh, let me try removing this. Re-adding it. No. God, why does it show the other account? Let me see if this works. Yes. Uh-oh. Can't hold on to that. Oh, open. No. Sit. Put this over here. Yeah, it needs to break up a little stronger. There's... What is... This whole channel might turn into a goddamn gaming only stream. Oh, man. Back to looking for more jobs. I was trading the, well, I mean, there wasn't a, I was just throwing it on. Just throwing it on, Alito. There's no way that that account has any more drawdown left in it. There's no way. We were slinging 3. I should be slinging 8. It's got to be close to it, though. Yeah, I have 500 left to draw down on that. Long? Yeah, it's 8. I think that's what we should do. Oh my god. Take a second. I only longed because Chef said to long. That just gave us... That should have gave us a lot more drawdown, huh? Oh, it's only what? It's only $400? Oh, 600. I don't remember that because I don't really ever jump in with a max size. I think I remember you having the issues. Dare we try along here again? That's what we were doing. I need one more. We need to do one more with Max. You think if it breaks 544, it's going down? Oh, Jesus. Should have taken that style. Could have scalped that. If it comes back up to 544, we'll take it. Oh yeah, 600 every time if we get a winning trade. I can feel the hair growing on my chest. Yeah, on the 5 second, we got a fair value gap, which that's what we were doing before, was waiting for those to form and in the direction, get in the direction that we think it's going on a fair value gap on the 5 second for a scalp. Yeah, your scalps are a little different. I was about to flatten and just mark it in. Oh, it came to this one. It came to that low right there. And we would have got the 3 ticks. No. No. We would have had it. Oh my God. I don't have room. We only have we only have $1,000 of drawdown. I think, like, I have experience doing the scalping, so I need to do this. Really wish we had the cumulative delta, though. I like coming back up on oh my God, that's such a it goes south quick. What? How are we still in this? All right, that's GG's, boys. We shouldn't have done 8 minis. No, I was shorting this. It came back to that. Nope. Don't do that. Should have kept it. Well, if we didn't do the 8, we wouldn't have gotten this plus 600, and that gave us some more room. I mean, I don't know what to do. We have 3 funded accounts with only like a couple $100 in drawdown on them, which I can do micros. A micro. It still shows it's active. It is not. It is not. Yeah, that's probably... No, I don't, Chef. I mean, I should probably listen to Joseph and not touch PA account, right? I think I have 20 in my Cash App. So I could buy... I think Buellanox has some for 20, but What am I going to do? Even if I pass it, I can't. I'm not paying funded fees. So it doesn't really matter. We need to listen to Joseph. Freaking blew up my sports betting account. And I said I'm not trading my PAs until I start working. Which I just missed a call, but it said from spam. Just about to 509. Damn, there it is. Nope, not yet. We should have shorted that a while ago. Style, aiming for 509. Can we make a sim account on Quan Tower? Because we should try trading this, what I was talking about yesterday, where you have, I don't know how many candles and I don't know what the thresholds should be, but when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have 5 candles all with lows within 5 points of each other. And then look, once this candle closed, we went 19 points. I see that. I feel like we see that often. How do I make a count on here? It's not trading simulator because we're trying to trade the current. I've seen it before. No, I don't have top set. We had Apex Bulanox ETF, My Fund of Futures, but now we only have Apex Bulanox. There's somewhere to start where you like create an account in Quan Tower and then you can use that. Yeah, I've seen that. And I know like you can have one on Tradeovate. There's got to be a way to have one on here. Like I said, I could have swore I've seen it before. Oh, yeah, I think you connect. I think it is. There was like a test. What do you mean? You better have not. What do you mean you tagged me in? What does that mean? Emulator. Provide simulated data allowing to test platform's functionality. Oh, right there. Yeah, but that's this. Let me try this. Oh, the hell is this? I don't like the emulator. No, and it gives like weird. What the frick is this? It doesn't offer live stuff. It's like made up. Just says equity 1, equity 2, equity 3. All right, later, man. Appreciate it. Trading simulator. One of symbols. What? Well, maybe it is this. You connect to a. Connect to a current connection. Simulation is active. Okay. I'll select that in your chart. Oh, here we go. Let me make this the same size. Okay, so yeah, you just pick up I'll send it to you, or I mean, you can see that, Joseph, but you just hit the trading simulator, select a current thing, and then you can click the little button and open up a chart. And then trying to get this up here. Why is... OBS is not giving me the option. There we go. Looking at the same thing, I was just creating a sim account because I don't want to trade my funded accounts. Beautiful. $90, $80, $70 would be 20 points. We had the tick chart with all these highs right here, all within under 5 points of each other. I always thought the trading simulator was going to use a different like its own data feed or something. I didn't know you pick from your current connections. I think I like this. I keep seeing it working plenty of times. Yeah, I'm connected to Apex. This is an Apex data feed, but then it should be placing fake trades. Yeah, I have positions open and it's not on my Apex account. I mean, that would be good right now, but I don't know what you're talking about. So we only had 4 right here, but all those highs were within 3 points of each other. And as soon as that candle closes, we could have entered there. 14-point stop, and then ideally, like I was saying yesterday, ideally we'd look for 2 times that, but if you went for 20 points, oh, we've already gone 28 points, so yeah, that would have worked. Double. 14 to 28. So do we switch to micros and do that on my fundeds? What? That went past. What is that? It went past. Why did that not tag us out? Well, the trade worked. It worked from where we should have got in, and it worked from where we did get in. But it didn't tag us out. But look up here at the highs. At 5 candles, all the highs were within 4.25 of each other. Short when that 5th one closes, 7.5 risk, 8 risk. It definitely went to 16 and more. Another one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Within 5 points when that one closes. I mean, you can see that it worked. That one was not within 5, but it all the yeah. I need to look more into that. But you can't just take anything. Like, you need the market to be moving in one direction and then expect that to be a reversal. Like this, ideally, probably wouldn't have taken that, but we're doing good. Our balance is at 100,000. Let me see. What was it called on here? It's been so long I haven't. They called strategy managers. Let's see. Yeah, trading simulators on here. So you could run them live like that. I should code that real quick. That's super easy. What's not easy is recognizing when we're going in a certain direction first. Otherwise, it's just going to take every time we have 5 candles within 5 points of each other. Which maybe that will work. I don't know. And we're really slowing down here. Oh, that's the move we wanted earlier. I don't think it was too bad today. I was just short way too freaking early. And then I held. I shouldn't have held. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this candle closes, we're shorting right here. Those are within 5 points of each other. What am I doing? I'm on a 1 minute time frame. I'm supposed to be looking at a freaking tick chart. I'm gonna try it anyways, and we'll switch to tick chart. It's closing in 4 seconds. That's why I was like thinking this is moving way too slow. So stop there. What are we risking here? 7. We need 14. So back at 80. Thought I was looking at the tick chart this whole time. I was thinking, man, it's moving incredibly slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so got in 1 candle too early. So maybe there wasn't a setup up here on the tick chart. 5.25. I was thinking 5 points for those moves. That was a loss. I think this worked. All right, we're gonna have to long this one. $13, so we need 26. Oh, it's too big. Full cent at 83. What does that mean? How many how big is your position? I think we need to stylize this so it's a put like a background behind it, kind of transparent, but then that way it's easier to read when it's over the bars. We should just go for, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if it's coming back to stop us out. This is just a science experiment here. Yeah, keep your heads small. Later, Hank. All right, I'm throwing this together real quick. Get out my coding keyboard. Delta, you get your trash picked up today? Do they ever miss you? Because my guys miss me all the time and it's so frustrating. Is trade still working out? Yeah, we have been sucking lately, trying to figure out, trying to look at some other options. I'm also throwing together a little bot real quick. Yeah, I just haven't been doing good with the market conditions lately, and then just the stress of wanting my accounts to be in a better place than they are. Oh, it's back in the green. Look at that. Nope, never mind. I won't talk about the position. We won't talk about it. Didn't work out. However, I mean, we were in a trade, so we wouldn't have shorted when all this was happening. So we have to got to figure out how to recognize like a leg. So when a leg is forming, if we're moving up, only look for shorts. If we're moving down, only look for longs. See if this goes 20 points, which it looks like it might. Got a pretty good divergence forming right here, though. Along with, I guess you could call it S divergence with NASDAQ and ES. ES went and made new or equal lows, and NASDAQ's not back down there. Okay, now it's definitely started to slow down. Oh, got a little wick down there. I like that it's looking down here and getting bought back up. And we did not go, we just barely broke that. Delta went pretty far. I just don't know if I can even handle any more losses on sim accounts. Yes, going lower. ES has like, I mean, it barely traded up above this opening range. Barely traded up above there, but it's just like whipping. NASDAQ like went up above, now it's way below. And we were short bias today. Damn it. Delta's just slowly making its way down. I think we're definitely going to go take all this stuff out. Okay, I'm getting off here. This is, I don't know. We got to figure something out. So that's what I'll be doing the rest of the day. You guys be careful if you keep trading. And I mean, I guess we'll be back tomorrow. I don't know what the frick we're going to do. Probably just trade a sim account because I'm not buying any more evals. I don't think I should be touching funded accounts. So there's not much else to do. All right.